Tithe.li Church Management is one of the top software solutions for churches. But before you commit, there are a few things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other popular platforms like Breeze or Planning Center, this guide will help you make an informed decision. First off, Tithe.li is a cloud-based platform, meaning everything's stored online. This gives you the flexibility to manage your church's operations from anywhere, but it does require a reliable internet connection. If your church is located in an area with inconsistent internet service, this might be something to consider. Next, Tithe.li offers a wide range of features, from donation management and event scheduling to member management and communication tools. But what sets it apart is its focus on generosity, with tools that make online giving easy. If you're already familiar with services like PushPay or Givelify, Tithe.li's donation system might feel similar, but it integrates seamlessly with the rest of its management tools, offering a unified experience. The third thing you should know is about pricing. Tithe.li offers a free version, but for full functionality, you'll need to subscribe to their paid plans. Compared to competitors like Breeze, which offers an all-inclusive package for a flat monthly fee, Tithe.li's pricing can be a bit confusing, with different charges for individual services. If you're looking for simplicity in pricing, this could be a drawback. The fourth thing is its user interface. Tithe.li's interface is simple and intuitive, designed with the non-tech savvy in mind. This makes it a great option for churches who don't have dedicated IT support. But if you're used to the customization options offered by other platforms, like Planning Center, Tithe.li might feel a little restrictive in terms of design and reporting flexibility. Next, let's talk about member engagement. Tithe.li allows you to send mass emails and texts to members, which is great for keeping the congregation informed. However, compared to some other platforms, it can feel a little basic. Breeze, for instance, allows for more detailed communication segmentation. So if you're looking for a more granular approach to member communication, that's something to keep in mind. When it comes to event management, Tithe.li offers a solid event registration feature. However, if your church hosts a lot of complex events, you might find the event registration system lacks some of the advanced features offered by platforms like Planning Center, which specializes in events and volunteer coordination. Now, the sixth thing to know is about integration with third-party tools. Tithe.li integrates with popular tools like QuickBooks and Zoom, but it doesn't offer as many options as some other competitors, such as Planning Center, which integrates with a wider range of services. The seventh thing is customer support. Tithe.li offers good customer support with phone, email, and chat options, but some users report slower response times compared to other platforms like Breeze, which has a reputation for fast and reliable support. Another important factor is security. Tithe.li takes data protection seriously, offering SSL encryption for secure transactions and member data storage. However, some other platforms offer additional layers of security, like multi-factor authentication, which might be important for larger churches handling more sensitive information. Next, consider the mobile app. Tithe.li's mobile app allows members to donate, view events, and engage with content, but compared to competitors like Breeze, the app can sometimes feel less responsive and feature-rich. If mobile experience is a priority for your church, you might want to test the app before committing. Tithe.li also offers some great reporting tools, but they're a bit more limited compared to competitors like Planning Center, which allows for deeper financial and membership analytics. If in-depth reporting is key for your church, you may find Tithe.li's options a bit lacking. The 11th thing to consider is customization. While Tithe.li does allow for some level of customization in terms of branding and features, it's not as flexible as other platforms. If you need a lot of customizability for your church's unique needs, you might want to look at other platforms. Finally, while Tithe.li is a strong option overall, it's worth noting that its strengths lie in donation processing and basic church management. If you need more advanced features for event planning, volunteer coordination, or detailed member analytics, you might want to explore other options. So, while Tithe